you ever wondered when's the best time to try and remember something that you need to learn? Well, today I'm going to talk to you about retrieval practice. We all know that retrieval practice is a really good way of deepening your learning and making it easier to remember in the future. That is quizzing, asking yourself to try and remember something that you've previously learned. But when's the best time to do that? At what point? How long should that gap be? Well, we know from the Bjork's research that that gap should be as long as the maximal point of difficulty. What that means is just before you forget it. But how do we know when that point is? Well, we don't. But the best way to actually find out when that point is to use what's called expanding retrieval practice. So you learn something, you leave an hour, you ask a question about that thing that you've learned, you can still remember it. Great, so that's not the maximal point of difficulty. Then you leave a day, you can still remember it. Then you leave 2 days, it's not quite so good. You leave it a week, you've forgotten, you have to relearn it. So we know that playing with that gap, seeing how far you can stretch it, can help you find the point at which it's the best place to remember or to try and recall that information. If you'd like to know more about retrieval practice, just go to our website, impact.wales, and click on Impact Plus, and there's loads of resources that you can download there to find out more about the science of learning and particularly the retrieval practice.